Good evening, everybody. How is it going? Today we're going to talk about how to color code Solidworks Routing assemblies. Rafael Roque Secura. As you see, he's done a very nice work on routing and piping assemblies, and I just suggested that he could actually color code them just to convey his information a little bit better. So as you can see, I'm already in the assembly level and just drawing in a flange. It could be any component just to see where my tubing parts are. So first of all, just save it so you can edit it, and that's all. Then you go into the pipe and then just browse that, make a couple of copies of it, and that's all. So you just rename the copies easily, air and water in this case. Just really common colors for both fluids, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. I just closed that, deleted everything, and started from zero. So again, I go into the piping folder, select pipes, open the part that I just copied and created, edit the appearance, and change it to green. Yeah, I think this. Oh, sorry, blue. This one is blue actually. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Save it, close it, and we're good to go for the next part. So again, I search for the water one, and this time it is green. Go to Appearances tab, Edit Appearance, change it to a green, or maybe a little bit darker green, and that's it. Save it, close it, we're done. So then, just to prove this concept, I'm going into the assembly, drag a flange, start from drop-in, and then select the water piping, and that's it. I'm not gonna create anything, it's just for visual purposes. And as you see, the color is green. So just to make a point on different colors, I'll do it again with the water one, and this should be, the air one, and this should be a blue one, and that's it. As you can see, you have two different colors of piping that will help you communicate better with the person manufacturing the colors. So there you go. That's all for today's video. Catch you next time.